Jingiwala, my name is Delta Kay and I'm a proud Arakwal Bundjalung woman of the Byron Shire area. I'm standing here in a beautiful part of my country. We look at this land like she's our mother. She feeds us, she waters us, she gives us everything we need. And as custodians of country, we invite you to help us look after our glossy black cockatoo. This beautiful little black cockatoo is vulnerable right now on country and we need your help.
Hi, my name's Harry Hackett. I work with Brunswick Valley Landcare. Glossy Black-Cockatoos are part of Australia's black cockatoo family, of which there are 5 species. Glossies have a dully browny black appearance. When you see their feathers in sunlight, you will understand entirely why they're called Glossy Black-Cockatoos. They are unfortunately listed as vulnerable in New South Wales and in Queensland. Now the glossy black cockatoos that we're looking after are the southeastern mainland glossy black cockatoo, and their range occurs from Sunshine Coast in Queensland all the way down eastern Australia to Gippsland in Victoria, and there are several inland New South Wales areas that they occur in as well. So we know glossies are facing multiple threats. One of the hard parts about this conservation puzzle is that we don't know exactly how many there are left in the population. BirdLife Australia estimate that there's approximately 7,000 glossies within their range left. Back in the day, they used to occur in tens of thousands. We're trying to help people learn more about glossy black cockatoos as a species and also learn about their very specific habitat requirements.
Our glossy black cockatoos are really fussy eaters. They only eat from 2 types of casuarina trees here on the coast. So we need to look after these trees. We call them billa. And these tiny seeds are what they're looking for. Their homes, their habitats that they live in are our lovely big hollow from the gum trees. And with these trees growing amongst the gum trees, fires have been a real problem here on country.
What's so important is that there are people out there really keen to help us fill in all these little missing pieces of the puzzle to help us arrive at a clear understanding how many birds that we have that we're trying to protect, and then how do we help that population recover and then thrive into the future. The good news is that there is a massive effort underway to help conserve glossy black cockatoos.
All right, you mob, if you're wondering what to do about this beautiful vulnerable bird, then every September there's a great glossy count. Get out there with your family and friends and start looking for this beautiful bird that is so special to Bundjalung country. You can also plant trees, and this is really important. Yeah, we've got our Landcarers, we've got our conservation groups. Go and join a group. Get your hands dirty and plant the trees for our glossy blacks.